welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. I know many of you have been asking me what am I doing? Am I uploading a new video? Am I just making compilation videos? After 2 months of not making any new video, I just noticed it last week and I was like, oh my god, and some people are asking what happened. What I was up to is I am up to VR180 videos. If you have ever heard about it, of course you can view the video in two-dimensional screen. You don't have to use this. You can absolutely enjoy the video, but if you want to fully enjoy the video, I wish you have a Google Cardboard at least. Anyway, this project is going to be just a temporary project and it's not going to occupy my channel, so don't worry, I'm not going to change my style of making videos. I'm making 6 cooking videos using VR180 camera, and oh my god, it's going to be amazing. You have to watch them. There are so many good cameras, speaking of two-dimensional videos, but speaking of VR180, we don't have a lot of cameras. And also it doesn't have a monitor, so we used iPad Pro. I really wanted to make something interesting and something new that people have never tried, so this VR180 cooking videos are going to be just perfect and just amazing. Something new that you have never seen and I haven't seen yet. So I'm so excited to share these videos. Don't miss it. So obviously subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.